Today I'm making one of my favorite quick and easy meals, a crispy tuna tortilla pizza made entirely in the air fryer. First, I'm placing one tortilla on the bottom of my air fryer basket. I'm using a piece of baking paper underneath the tortilla to make everything easier to remove later and to keep the air fryer clean. Next comes the tomato sauce. I'm spreading a thin, even layer of tomato sauce all over the tortilla, making sure to cover most of the surface while leaving just a little space around the edges. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. Now it's time for the main ingredient, tuna. I'm using about half of a can of tuna, making sure it's well drained first. You don't want too much liquid because that could make the tortilla soft instead of crispy. And now, of course, we need cheese. I'm adding a generous amount of grated cheese over the tuna. You can use whichever cheese you like or happen to have at home. Mozzarella works beautifully, but any good melting cheese will do. And for the final touch, I'm sprinkling some dried oregano all over the top. Once everything is ready, I'm placing the tortilla pizza into the air fryer and cooking it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. And that's it. After just 5 minutes, we have a delicious, crispy, cheesy tuna tortilla pizza that's incredibly easy to make. I love how crispy the tortilla gets around the edges while the cheese melts over the tuna and tomato sauce. It's quick, filling, and perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a quick snack when you're craving pizza but don't want to make an entire pizza from scratch. Just slice it up, serve it while it's hot, and enjoy.